Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making the transfer possible. Sign into the same Apple ID and confirm iCloud Photos is enabled on the iPhone or iPad. Once done, connect to a stable Wi-Fi network and plug in power if you have many gigabytes to move. Make sure the receiving device has the Photos or Gallery app ready, or that your Mac/PC has enough storage. This first action prepares devices and network so you can export without interruptions. Now you actively pull images out of iCloud. If using a browser, go to iCloud. And select Photos, then pick albums or individual files and download originals. On a Mac, open Photos and use File Export to choose original or edited versions. On Windows, use iCloud for Windows or the web download. Make sure you export with full-resolution originals and include metadata so dates and locations stay intact. Once exported, organize into a finish by moving the exported folder to the receiving device. Use USB for Mac/PC to Android, AirDrop to another Apple device, or upload to Google Drive for easy download into Gallery. Then import or refresh the Gallery app so new photos index correctly. If some photos don't appear, check iCloud sync status, hidden or recently deleted folders, and whether hike files need conversion to JPG. If problems persist, restart the device and retry the upload. That often forces the gallery to rescan new media.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.